YouTube. So today I will be showing you how to make slime with hand sanitizer. So some of this is already gone because I've tried this before and I made slime. See, here's the slime I made with it. It's really small. Look, I did a video on fluffy slime. So let's get right into the video. So things you're going to need is you're going to need hand sanitizer, something to mix in, and you're going to need a freezer. So I'm going to use hand sanitizer in here. It's not going to come out. Anyway, it's going to be big anyway, so if you don't use a lot of it, it's still going to come out big. So just going to mix it up like so. And I'm going to go put it in the freezer. See? So here I am in the kitchen, putting it in the freezer. So just going to sit that in there. And we're going to leave that in there for about probably 4 hours. So I'll be back in 4 hours. So it's been 4 hours, so I'm finna ready to go look at the slime and see did it work. So I'm here. Here's the slime. I'm scared because I don't know if it did work. Meet you back in my room. So I'm back in my room and I got the slime and I'm pretty scared to see that it works. So let's jump right into it. So here's the slime. Let me get this, wipe it off, make sure I messed up. Oh, it worked. It worked. Oh my God, it worked. See? And it's really clicky. You don't have to knead it at all. So you guys try this recipe. Thank you guys for watching, and as always, have a great day. Subscribe, like, and let's try to get this video to 50 likes, and try this recipe. Remember, all you need is hand sanitizer and something to mix with in the freezer and put it in there for 1 to 4 hours. So bye, have a nice day.